All the Java projects or .NET projects are migrating from the standalone development practices to middleware oriented development practices. That time, for example, a Java project is migrating from standalone practices. You are not going to write the Java code again and again. And also, you are not going to write the Java code in Mule ESB. You are not going to touch it. Okay. But the thing is, organizations won't left anything, right? So they want to reuse the same business logic which is written in the Java. So what you have to do is, you have a Java connectors is available with the MuleSoft. Just you have to give the Java class name and method name and properties. That's it. Remaining thing will taken care by the MuleSoft. That's it. This is the first case you will use the Java. The second case, if you are mentioned more than 5 years of experience on MuleSoft, that case, maybe you may need to write custom connectors or custom components. That time, you obviously need Java or .NET or any other programming language to fulfill your requirement. Okay. In Java side, you need to know at least core Java. Okay. At least. At least you should be hands-on experience if you mention more than 5 years on Mule ESB. Yeah. You have any questions?
Can we add this MuleSoft application into cloud? I mean, how will it support cloud
Yeah.
connect? Okay. Means
Yes.
we can
Yes.
publish
Yes.
the application whatever generated through the any point
Yes.
studio. Okay.
Right. You can. You can do that. It doesn't
For
have
that,
any issues.
yeah, for that, what I mean, what is the product
So
can be used?
it's a Mule. It's a cloud hub is separated. Is there? Is separate product. You don't need to explore those things because DevOps teams is the main job to tackle all this information. Okay, they will take care. Just you need to generate the jar file. That's it. Automatically, it will be transformed. It will be deployed by the DevOps. DevOps will configure the authentication, authorization, policies, proxies, each and everything.
Yeah, but actually, my target is to be certified in
Uh-huh.
MuleSoft. So, like, I don't know whether I don't have any knowledge that whether these questions may be, uh,
No, 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 no.
maybe it's
That is
part of
different.
them.
Yeah, they won't ask these questions because this is that is you are going to take the developer oriented certification, right? So don't worry, I have the dumps. It will help you out to get it certified. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, fine, no
You
issues.
said regarding the terms, are they relevant to 4.0 certification or 3.9?
4.0.
4.0?
Yes. Seems to be something wrong with the project. I don't know what it is. I'm exploring it. Resource already exists on disk. Then why? Project 3. So anybody else, any other doubts, team, in the meantime? So you are all clear about the sample project and the purpose of MuleSoft and all, right? Or do you like to know anything else which I can give you in detail? Sorry. Sorry, come again, if you don't mind. Sorry. I hope you are all clear, right? So let's see, we have already crossed our time. Once this runs properly, then I will show you the choice router. Okay, then we'll wind up our class today for today. Okay, so for records are inserted. Okay, let's see what is our payload. Payload is our XML file. Okay, so we need to transform that XML file, okay, into transform message component. So the payload is this thing, and we want some Java objects. Okay, how will you create? Okay, for example, in our case, we will create simple data type. Okay, payload test one payload. Okay, for choice router, let me take these values. Test value a test comma value and test 2 comma value b. Okay, this is the value I'm generating and publishing into my project. Okay, now you can see the preview option. The preview option, it will give you the result. Okay, it means dynamic result will be generated. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, okay, I'm going to use these values into my choice router. The tomorrow we will transform this entire project into our customized choice router. With the time delay, I'm just taking a simple example. Okay, so now I'm going to save this thing and executing it again. Now go over here. Now you can see the payload has the 0 values. Okay, now I want to use payload. The value is hash map. TEXT test contains 0 and 1. Okay, test. Okay, test of 0 contains equal to value. It will give the boolean operation. Okay, if it is matches. Okay, sorry, so it is true. Just take a copy of this information and paste it over here. Okay, that's it. You have done your job. Okay, now let me add one more logger so that we will understand where we are now. Okay, now you can save it. That's it, you're done. So the default path will be executed if they didn't match this value. Okay, I will show you on tomorrow's class how to do that in detailed manner, which along with for each scope. So I'm initiating again. So before that, let me complete the previous request. Okay, go step by step. I'm sure, team, this is uh, you are pretty much unaware of this tip again. Bear with me. Within the next 10 sessions, you will be hands-on experience at least one toughest project. Okay, this is for initial classes. Okay, so now if you see this condition is satisfied, that's a reason it is executed in the first block. Okay, there is a disadvantage as well, we'll discuss on tomorrow how by the disadvantage you will overcome with for each scope. Okay, so where we are now we are at logger, almost all we are completed, right? So click on the this button. Now that's it, our job. Okay, we are completed. Okay, now this is the value which is getting from the out of choice router. Do you have any questions, team, before I'm winding up a class or project level or anything? Okay, tomorrow what we are going to do is tomorrow we are going to explore the choice router again and for each scope. Okay, and day after tomorrow we are going to explore the some of the best practices, because this is not the best practices to use in our code. For suppose this insert queries and all, we need to move out from here to standard property file. Okay, that way that will be best practices. Okay, and we will explore the what is this flows and private flows, subflows and all. Okay, is that clear, team? So that will be wind up the class.
Okay.
Okay, so um, just a moment, team. I got a message from somebody else. I don't know, he want me to ask. Arun, are you there?
Session is in for today, right?
Sorry, come again. I didn't catch you.
The session is in for today, or it is continuing? I'm
It's
not
it
able
will
to
continue.
understand. Okay.
It will continue from tomorrow onwards as it is normal days. Okay. So I think you can check with Arun. Maybe Arun is the organizer for this class. Okay. So we'll see you on tomorrow. Okay. Have a good day and bye.
Bye.
Bye.